The Air Jordan Travis Scott Shy Pinks have finally arrived. And I'm telling you, the materials are out of control on these shoes. I'm talking about buttery smooth, tumble leather, nice little Easter eggs as usual. Very beautiful all the way through. Now, could it be better than the tropical pinks? We'll have to find out about that one. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health and in wealth and in prosperity and all good things. And as always, stay away from the drama, because misery loves company. Co-producer, you on deck today. So guys, yes, the Shy Pinks. If you guys saw the video before, I actually hit on them in the sneakers app. And of course, like every imbecile out there in this world, oh bro, it's because you are a YouTuber, you're a reviewer, you're an influencer, and that's why they have priority. No, it doesn't work like that. Look, this is the way I see things in life. Just because you don't have the luck, let's just put it like that, it does not mean that everybody else in this world is like these people or think like these people. That is an extremely ignorant human being. Guys, one thing, before I even get to the shoes, one thing in this world that I have come to realize when it comes to the sneaker community, as a matter of fact, let's go to the whole world, literally. Everybody, there's always these individuals that blame everything on something else. They gotta point the finger for their misery to something else. If a person's rich, it's because they got a priority. It's because of this, it's because of that. If they get something nice, it's because of this, it's because of that, because I cannot have it. It's always the same thing in this world. It's always an excuse to another excuse to another excuse. That's why I always start off my videos saying, stay away from misery, because misery loves company. And I tell you one thing, man, when you reach a certain level on YouTube, that I thank the let's just say the mythical world. You know what I'm saying? Because even that, somebody will have to say something about it, you know? Somebody got to say something stupid. And these morons just come out of nowhere, out of their caves, because they're cave dwellers. But I can guarantee you, they got hairy nipples and shit. They're just nasty. That one got me off guard a little bit. You know, because it's the truth. I can just imagine, they're like festering, you know what I'm saying? Those people are festering, pointing fingers. All right, guys, enough of the rant. I gotta give you my daily dose of the rant, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get immediately into the sneakers. Co-producer, throw me the first shoe. Oh boy, that one was over here, man. That one, you know what? That one actually makes me feel like singing. And you know what I feel like singing? Rasputin. You know Rasputin? You do know Rasputin, because I have shown you these tracks right here. Sing it along with me, co-producer, because I know it is what it is. Sing it with me. Rah, rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. Rah, rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. He was a cat that really was gone. You know, come on. You got to do the skippies. You guys know Daddy cool, Daddy. Okay. You enjoyed that one, co-producer? Not the last one. You didn't like Daddy Cool? Daddy Cool's dope, bro. It don't matter. Now, they saw this one already. I need the presentation, my good man. Yeah. Oh, I saw something fall there. Oh, I just saw him flinching, you know what I'm saying? the presentation. Check out the presentation. Well, it's nothing crazy, guys. Nothing crazy. But I like the colorways on it. I like the actual, like they actually match the box to the shoe. At least in this case, I don't know. I gotta still wait for the pinks, the tropical pinks. You know, a lot of pinks going on. You know, but I love the pink. I love the pink. Back to the box over here. Back to the presentation. So check it out. Pink in matte Nike. Very beautiful. Everything else glossy. You guys know I love the glossy. On the side of the box, Nike. Very nice. In matte as well. All Nike. Nike, 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 and more Nike. You know, obviously the 1985 Air Jordan 1. Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. And in the inside of the box, it is a lid box, guys. You guys can see the same colorway. Nike Air, Cactus Jack logo, the little face. Very beautiful. And the shoes itself, now that you guys see the presentation, co-producer, throw me the... I'm having a lot of issues with the trophy. The trophy just fell. Co-producer, throw me the other shoe so I could show the audience the presentation. Yes! The other shoe comes like this, guys. Both shoes actually come like this. And let me unwrap this real quick right here. This is like a semi-unboxing type of thing going on. You know, co-producer, excuse me to bother you, buddy. You could take the presentation back. You could. Thank you, sir. I needed that box, but it don't matter. You know, that's what happens when you start throwing the box, and then it becomes cool. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? Screw the box, because what counts is the shoes here, guys. Yes, it does come with extra laces, but check these laces out. Obviously, it comes with the cream laces that already come with the shoe. Now, look at the brown laces. Wax laces, very beautiful as well. But it also comes with pink SB laces. SB laces. You saw that, producer? Pretty cool, huh? Regular laces and SB laces. You know what I'm saying? But wait a second. When I was doing this, when I was doing the combos on the Jordan 4s and all this, people were saying that it was disgusting and that it was crazy. But it don't matter, because Nike knows what's up. And they watch the correct people that bring the swagger. The swagger with the wiggly finger. And for the ones that are about everything. You know what I'm saying? The miserable. I'm not gonna start again. I'm not gonna start again, guys. No. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm holding a little bit of an anger. You know what I'm saying? A little. I'm joking, guys. I don't pay attention to those losers. Let's get into the shoes, guys. Let's get into the shoes. I'm gonna bring the other one because this one has a lot of things going on. I'm not gonna record that one. You guys are ready? Actually, I do gotta record it because it has a little Easter egg that this one doesn't have. But you guys are ready? Let's go. Let's go. The materials and the toe box. Toe box. Oh, where have you been, toe box? Very nice, guys. Very nice. This leather on top of the toe box, that I don't know, man. This is buttery as hell, dude. Nice quality, dude. I tell you one thing, these Travises, boy, they come with a quality on point, son. All surrounded in tumbled leather. Nice cream. Get the money. Guys, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colorway, bro. The way they blended it in, beautiful, man. Can't wait to get the tropical pinks. Check out the top. Once again, guys, this is a Jordan 1 low. It's not much too crazy to talk about it, but this one, believe it or not, it does. All the tongue in that nylon material. Very nice. And check out the Cactus Jack logo. Red, pink surrounded. Very nice, man. Very nice, perfectly sewn, man. No mess ups on that one. Nike Air in white, surrounded in white and in pink. Nike Air, very gorgeous. I know I did that opposite, but it don't matter. Go with it, guys. Going inside of the shoe, the sock liner. It's a prototypical sock liner, guys. Nothing crazy, it's not special, it's nothing like that. But the insole, of course, it has a little heart with an arrow on it. Travis Scott, very beautiful, very nice. I love it. I love that one. Because I have to show you now the other pair that comes with a little Easter egg. Check it out. On this one, guys, check out the tongue on this. You know what I'm saying? Check out the tongue on that one, right? Well, the left side has a little heart on it. That is very, very, very nice. And the insole on the left has the Jumpman logo, Cactus Jack, running across it. So the insoles are different, and this one has the little heart, and this one is just plain Jordan logo. So I like that. It's the first time that he ever does that with the actual tongue right there. Good job on that one. Good job on that one, Travi. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's get back into the review. Check out the side of the shoe. All tumbled leather, cream, get the money once again. Gorgeous. The swoosh, obviously, the reverse swoosh, that is what makes the shoe beautiful, man. I don't know. People say, yo, bro, a reverse swoosh just switches things around and confuses your brain. I'll tell you one thing, it does. It does. There's something about that reverse swoosh that just gets me all the time. Besides that, if you guys know what's up, it's a personal thing when it comes to the Cactus Jacks, you know, but this is sick, man. I love this. I love that. Obviously, guys, there's gonna be people for everything as well. But to me, yeah, I guess it's just bam, boom, I guess. But yes, very beautiful. The background, that buttery white nubuck leather, however, whatever it is, man, it just feels very different. It's just very buttery. I cannot pinpoint if it is a nubuck or it is just leather that is extremely smooth, but it's nice. All the way in the back, tumbled leather, all the way through, guys, all the way through tumbled leather, and the Air Jordan logo nicely sewn on to that back. Air Jordan, all in pink, beautiful, 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 beautiful sewn. And the midsole, it's all the same color, guys, cream, get the money. I'm telling you, this shoe is cream, get the money all the way through, man. And the sole, of course, the best tread pattern in history, Nike in the middle, all in pink. And last but not least, let's go into the inside part of the shoe. You guys can see Cactus Jack nicely printed onto that white leather in red, and the swoosh on the inside is that cream color as well. Very, very, very clean, bro. Very clean. So I know I'm wearing a hat that matches it already. To a point, I'm gonna bring a little fitment, a fit for this that I think you guys are gonna probably appreciate it. And you know, I got the perfect match for this one and the tropical pink. But you guys are gonna have to wait for that one. It's gonna come afterwards, after I'm done with the Travis Scott week over here. But yeah, did I say no? Actually, I haven't told you about that. I'm gonna do a Travis Scott week, guys. A Travis Scott week, man. But yes, now let's get to the sizing and the on foot. Obviously, guys, this shoe on foot hits different. This thing is gorgeous. Sizing, go true to size. It fits perfect. But man, this shoe hits hard, bro. It hits hard. And honestly, this is one of my top favorite Jordan 1 lows. I have right there, the whole shebang going on. And I really like this colorway, bro. I could just imagine the tropical pink. It's gonna be a little bit of a competition because tropical pink has more vibrant colors. This is more the low key, you know, and I like more the vibrant colors. But man, so far this is clean as hell, bro. Clean as hell. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. That was guys twice, now 3 times. Yeah, man, I criticize myself. I don't give a shit. A lot of things coming up, guys. I also have another Travie that's coming up. That to me is goated as hell. Goated as hell. You guys are gonna see it. You know, missed out on it for a minute. And I'm coming with a tropical pinks, and then I'm coming with it just popped out of my mind. A sneaker travel. Very, very good sneaker travel. And I actually understocked a Travis Scott in there. You guys will see everything, man. I recommend these gorgeousness 100%. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Stay away from that misery. Remember that. El Go.